Assalamu alaikum guys. So in this video we are gonna have a look at tabs in Flutter. So for that, in the app bar widget and in the bottom of app bar, write the tab bar, which would require the tabs which contains list of widgets. So write here tab, which requires a parameter of child. Assign a text to it, let's say Java. Okay, so I will give the three tabs to it, second and third. Let's say Flutter and Python respectively. Now we will require a view for each of the indexes. So in the body property of a scaffold, write the TabBarView, which requires a children that also requires a list of widgets. So for that, let's give a container and color. So for Java, I'm taking colors.red and a text on the center. Do it for the other two. Now to run the tabs successfully, you need to wrap the scaffold widget in DefaultTabController, which requires the length of tabs. So we have 3 tabs and the initial index, which is 0. Now it's time to check the application. So our application has successfully executed. Always remember this one thing, that if you are increasing the length of tabs, you need to increase the tab and you need to increase the view also, otherwise it would give you the error. So let's say I have, instead of 3, I have 5 tabs. So as you can see, the tabs are automatically adjusted. But what if we have length above 5? So in that case, let's say we have a length of 7. So as you can see, it has automatically adjusted, but the text has not properly displayed. So we need the scroll container to adjust the text properly. So assign a scroll container. So in the TabBar widget, we have a property of isScrollable. Set this to true and hot reload and just see the result. Now our tabs are scrollable and looks much more finer than the previous one. So that's all from this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And for more amazing content, please hit that bell icon. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video.